Hi friends, today I am going to show Suryanamaskar for kids. You also do along with me. Do you know Suryanamaskar? Surya means the sun which rises in the sky. Suryanamaskar has 12 steps. I'll show you step by step. Stand straight. Balance equally on 2 feet. Now slowly take a deep breath. Now while taking a deep breath, put your palms together, facing each other. Now slowly exhale. Now take a deep breath again. Now stretch your body and your hands. Bend your body. Now slowly come down. While coming down, exhale. Now put your hands beside your leg and your knees should not bend. Now slowly put your left leg back. Look up and your knees should touch the floor. Now slowly take the right leg and put beside the left leg. Do the mountain pose. Now slowly lie down on your stomach. Your chin should touch the floor and your stomach should be up. Now slowly come up. Your palm should be under your shoulders. Look up. Now repeat the same asanas. Come up to the mountain pose. Slowly put your right leg front and look up. Now put your left leg front and your hand should be beside your leg and your knees should not bend. Now slowly come up and stretch your body and your hands. Bend your body. Now slowly come down and namaskar. Relax. Stand straight. Balance your weight on your both feet. Now slowly inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly join your hands. This is called the Suryanamaskar. Slowly bring your hands up. Stretch yourself. Come down while exhaling. Your forehead should touch your knees and knees should be straight. This is called the Padahastasana. Now slowly put your right leg back. Your knees should be resting on the floor. Slowly bring your left leg back. Stretch yourself. And then try to touch your foot to the ground. This is called the Parvatasana. Now slowly stand on your hands and your toes. Slowly come front, and your stomach should be up. This is called the Namaskar. Slowly come. This is called the Bhujangasana or the snake pose. Your arms need not be straight. Now slowly bring your body up and stretch it. This is called the Parvatasana or the mountain pose. Try to touch your foot to the ground and bring your left leg flat. Your head should be facing up. Now bring your left leg up, right leg up. This is called the Padahastasana. Your head should be touching your knee. Slowly